Section 4 Objectives. Quiz. Obtain certificate of completion. True or false? Alcohol must be put in a bag after purchased. False. True or false? A straw must be put in an alcoholic drink before served to a customer. False. True or false? Bottles of beer must be opened by a bartender or server before served to a customer. False. True or false? A bar can serve beer to go. True. However, if opened, county or city open container ordinances may apply. True or false? If a female is visibly pregnant, it is against state law to serve them alcohol. False. True or false? A distributor and/or wholesaler can sell kegs full of wine to licensed establishments. True. True or false? You do not need an alcohol license to sell O'Doul's non-alcoholic beer. False. True or false? You need an alcohol license to sell rum cake. False. True or false? You need an alcohol license to sell cough syrup with alcohol inside. False. True or false? The alcohol license can be posted in a back office outside of the public view. False. True or false? You can brew your own beer and wine for personal use. True. Question. Can you distill your own liquor for personal use or consumption? No. Question. How much out-of-state liquor can you transport into Idaho? It is unlawful for a non-licensee to possess more than 2 quarts of unstamped liquor not subject to regulation. All licensees must purchase liquor from the Idaho State Liquor Division. Question. Can a bar give empty liquor bottles away to customers for home decoration? Yes. Question. Can liquor be sold on election day? Yes. Question. Can bartenders drink while on duty? Yes. Question. Can you smoke in a bar attached to a restaurant accessible by a doorway within the restaurant? No. Question. Do you have to be an Idaho resident to own an alcohol license? No. Question. Can a bar be within 300 feet of a church or school? On-premise establishments cannot be within a residential neighborhood or within 300 feet of any public school, church, or other place of worship. Cities and counties may grant extensions to allow. Question. Does Idaho require bartenders and servers to receive formal training? No. Question. Can an employee be 18 and serve alcohol? No. True or false? A college ID with a photo is a valid form of ID in a licensed premise. False. True or false? A bartender is not responsible for serving a minor if a bouncer has already checked and approved their identification and/or age. False. Question. Is it legal to wait to deface stamps on empty liquor bottles at the end of the shift? No. Question. Is the licensee the only person responsible for what happens on the premise? No. True or false? A 19-year-old bartender can stay inside a bar after their shift is over. False. True or false? Games of skill are allowed inside a licensed premise. True. True or false? Advertising the handling or sale of liquor is allowed on the outside of a licensed premise. False. True or false? An employee can violate the law and cause the licensee to lose their alcohol license. True. True or false? Legally, identification of a patron must be checked before consuming alcohol. False. True or false? If requested by law enforcement, a patron inside a licensed premise must have identification indicating age. True. True or false? A warrant or probable cause is required by law enforcement to inspect a licensed premise. False. A standard drink contains about 14 grams of pure alcohol. How many ounces of table wine is equivalent to a 12-ounce beer? 5 ounces of table wine. What is the brandy or spirit equivalent to a 12-ounce beer? 1.5 ounces of brandy or spirits. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Coeur d'Alene area, please contact the Idaho State Police District 1 office. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Lewiston area, please contact the Idaho State Police District 2 office. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Boise area, please contact the Idaho State Police Alcohol Beverage Control Headquarters. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Twin Falls area, please contact the Idaho State Police District 4 office. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Pocatello area, please contact the Idaho State Police District 5 office. For questions, comments, or concerns in the Idaho Falls area, please contact the Idaho State Police District 6 office.
The mission of the Idaho State Police is providing public safety across the state of Idaho through law enforcement excellence. Providing education to alcohol licensees is an important function of the Idaho State Police Alcohol Beverage Control. This free training is being provided to promote compliance and understanding of the laws of the state of Idaho associated with alcohol beverage licenses. At the end of this training video, there is contact information for your local ABC offices. Please feel free to contact your local ABC detectives with any questions. Thank you.